Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about how to set up Cash App Bitcoin wallet. That's a very simple method. Just you need to download the app. Definitely once you have downloaded the app, simply just register. So while registering, you need to verify your identity. So once you have completed the registration, go to the app, then go to the settings and enable the Bitcoin option. So go to enable the Bitcoin option, you have to go to the money or banking option, then select the Bitcoin and follow the prompt to enable Bitcoin transaction. Then access your Bitcoin wallet address. After enabling the Bitcoin, go back to the Bitcoin section and you should see an option like deposit or receive Bitcoin. Tap it and Cash App will generate your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Now you can send or receive Bitcoin for your wallet. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.